Stacy. Stacy sent you this message, Father.
I thought you said you never had anything to do with her. How come she's 3 months pregnant?
That girl is a fool. She's an idiot. She tried to rip me off my money yesterday. Oh! This is the tactics she wants to use. I will beat her to her own game. Maybe she doesn't know me too well.
Jenny, tell me the truth. Did you have anything to do with her?
Oh, Father, I did not. I did not. I didn't sleep with Stacy. No, Father, I did not. She's just trying to reap where she did not sow. That's it. I didn't do anything with her. No, I can't even remember. I was never drunk. No, I didn't do that. Father, please. You don't need to pay attention to all of this. She's a fraud. That's who she is. Father, please. The doctor said you don't need this kind of news. Okay? Have you taken your medication?
Yes, he has.
Okay, beautiful. Father, please. Don't think about this. You know your health condition. She's a fraud. I didn't sleep with her. I was not drunk. I can't remember being drunk. Stacy.
So that is how I lost my mother to the cold hands of death. She made a lot of sacrifices for me. I owe her even in death.
Wow, that sounds nice.
So tell me, how did you lose your mother?
I think that should be a story for another day. I'm bored. Let's get high.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
What do you mean, why? I mean, getting high is fun. You should try it.
Is that really necessary? Don't get me wrong. I heard that it's fun. Just the way I heard that people that indulge heavily in it do it to live in a fantasy where there is no pain or suffering or worries anymore. Just to get away from the reality of life that has dawned on them.
No, it doesn't.
I can feel that you're lying. Let me tell you, whoever introduced you to this did you wrong. This can never help you. It can only add to your traumas. Believe me.
Give it up. Was it? Shut down! Put that! Sing it again. Don't fall for my body. Don't fall for my body. Come on, which go? You want to fall on top of me? No be that side, that side. Wait, they see where I be dance floor. You they see me as dance floor or what? So a person no go fit dance by mistake. Oh, you go know say you come out. You go know say come out. We make you carry cloth. You wear cloth. You wear cap.
It's the prince bag. This prince's clothes.
Prince.
My prince get this one.
Prince cloth.
Prince don't come back.
Prince cloth you wear. Go remove. Go remove. Go. Prince cloth.
Nah, wetin dey worry you? See, the woman don't agree. I don't go meet my mother-in-law. Nah.
You know, mama nigga.
I don't go meet.
You don't go her house, come back.
Yes. I tell her now, so I gave her 1 or 2. Tell her, say, I'm going to be your daughter's husband. She say confirm, she like men with integrity.
Chiro, you go nigga the house, go see the mama.
agree now. Everything's settled.
I tell you.
Say, instead of me to hang for road, they collect the thing 0 to 1, 0 to 1. That is good that I came to tell her that I want to carry everything.
I tell you, say, na her mama be her back door.
How?
Say, what's bad? You gift her babe. She accepted.
Women like it too.
The babe that I babe.
I'm happy for you, seriously. Thank you. See, that today I know say women, the only way to their heart now, gift and money.
Hey! You are just small thing I give her. You are I am happy for you.
Dem angry. Take angry. Take demand tan angry. Take angry. Take demand tan angry. Take angry. Take demand. What did they worry you? Why you going to hit my nyash like that? What's the meaning of that one?
You say you got me angry.
Come on for you. What did they worry you?
Don't they push me like that now? Why they push me like that?
I don't want you to say they get temper issues. They stop it. Why you go hit my nyash now?
I'm not going to hit your nyash. What thing they be different from my hand and your nyash?
When did they mold my nyash? You follow them mold them.
Not be me the mold them for.
How dare you collect God's glory?
Who the mold them for? Everything, all these things where they grow up for right proportion for your body, not for me.
God forbid, but I reject. I bless you, don't decrease. That means this your something cassava where they grow. Now for who?
Not for you.
God forbid, I reject. I know they collect dwarf. Anything with dwarf, no be my portion.
You know, this thing reach almost my.
I know the centimeter. Even for your this, I don't know the
touch and well, touch and I like as your hand.
You are there like that, so peaceful.
But this make we go test and now if you think say you want.
You and who?
Make we go check her.
I don't warn you. I know you. I don't use that kind of rubbish. I dey keep myself for the right man. I know they sell my body.
So they see me as the left man now. No, I be the left man.
I beg, I dey practice something.
Let me tell you, see, in this life there is no man who go prize you. Talk more of marrying you if no be me.
I reject
this thing way they do it.
How dare you set down? Out!
What be this one now? Even if you want to help me, you use one hand.
How you talk that kind of thing? How dare you? You spiritus man, you be spiritus man.
Okay, nobody go prize you. Nobody go prize you.
And you know nobody go prize. And you nobody go accept to marry. You go there, you go do single for this life, you go die.
You go die.
Single, and I go kill.
Once they put me for grand, I dey with you.
God forbid.
2 minutes where I go, I don't collect you.
God forbid, but now you go collect yourself.
I don't feel there for that darkness without you.
I recommend that they practice something I want you to get down slow.
Run the thing.
Let me angry. Until let me angry. Tan.
Aside the members of my household, I've not told anyone about this because no one has ever asked. My mother and I were very close. She taught me the things I learned. She was my angel, my mentor, my mother. My whole life slimed before my eyes the day she died. I was with her that very day. I barely survived the accident myself, but my eyes were glued to my mother in pieces. I got traumatized. I couldn't eat or sleep. I was shut away from life not until I was introduced to that one thing that constantly takes my sadness away.
You mean drugs? Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
Has it been helpful though?
The truth is, it still doesn't go away completely.
See, that is where the addiction comes in. Like I already told you, whoever introduced you to this doesn't like you. The person ended up adding up to your traumas. Believe me.
What would you have me do? I mean, I had no options.
You see, it is normal. It's normal to feel pain. It's normal to go through what you're going through. But how you handle it is solely your choice. If you let your emotions get the better part of you, it ruins you. You see, drug addiction can never help you in times like this. Rather, what you need is a shoulder to cry on, someone to talk to. And locking yourself in here, being an introvert, smoking yourself to stupor can never help you. You need to come out more often. See people, talk to people. I promise you, that will help. Okay? You'll be fine.
Thank you.
You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Good night.
That's okay, my brother. Good night.
Drive safe and give me a call when you get home.
Definitely.
Alright. Bye. Drive safe.
I will.
So you have to make a sentence with your name. For example now, my name is Tony. I am from...
No, my name is not Tony. My name is Neka.
Yes, I know. This is just an example. My name is Tony. I'm from...
No, my name no be Tony.
Yeah, okay. Yes, I know. Okay. Just write it here. Write it here. My
name no be Tony.
Brother, that is not hard to teach. You have to take it easy on her.
Go and sleep.
Nadia, no verse
Please,
here.
write.
Also, they don't bath you night bath.
Right.
Eh?
My name is Neka. You know the name of your village? M-Y. Yes, M-Y.
Write the M.
No, you have to write it. Okay, you don't know how to write it. No. So watch. This is This is what I mean.
But the drawing no fits the word of maths. This drawing now, the word no right.
Forget about the drawing. Just
no, because if na M, you need to draw like M, like man.
Why are you panicking, my son? You are the one that have shown proper interest in marrying my daughter. You have done more than enough in my house. Eh? Look, you have received my blessing already. My daughter is yours. Don't be afraid of anybody. I promise you that. Oh?
Mama, let me tell you. The truth is that I trust you. You see me, as I'm seated here, I trust you. But the problem is your daughter. Your daughter is too distracted. I don't know why she no one concentrate on the man we won't concentrate on her. No, what is the meaning of this now? All her effort in this life, all her focus in this life is on palace duty. Cleaning up and down, doing everything, and then on the prince. All her, everything about her, focusing on the prince or the mama.
Prince, what does she have with Prince? What is my daughter doing with Prince?
Mama, don't worry. Later you will know what she's doing with your prince. When I must have left, when I don't come out, when I go can't know what she they do with the prince. Please talk to her. Because I know that Prince has a fiancé. He has his own fiancé already. The thing he's going to do is that he will just use your daughter. Oh,
God forbid!
Okay.
No man will use my daughter and dump my daughter.
Okay.
I will lay curse on that person's generation.
No problem. Also,
it is not true. Nobody will use my daughter and dump her. They should try me.
That's why I want to carry her so that I cannot find a place to dump her.
See, please, calm down. Just relax your mind. I will call her to order.
Now,
talk to her and she will change.
As you are looking at me like this, I'm vexed too. I'm vexed.
Please, no vexed.
I'm angry.
Please, no anger.
I'm furious.
Please, no furious. Please. Please, I beg you.
You walk.
Biko, no vexed.
I'm aggrieved.
No aggrieved, Biko. Oh, just calm down. No grievances. Biko, no. Calm down. No, it's one no. That has been taking care of me. And then I want to spoil things for me.
Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace. Actions speak louder than words. Your shoes might be
Babe, look at you, I'm glowing. This cloth looks good on me, right? So perfect, so beautiful. Right?
Yeah, it does. It does look good on you. I'm glad it fits.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Dad.
I'm glad to see you bloom again.
Thank you, Dad.
You look more feminine and more like the princess of his kingdom.
Yeah, she is.
Thank you, Dad. Oh, thanks to him.
Your smile has changed. So where are you guys headed?
Dad, I don't think it's your business, okay?
Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace. Actions speak louder than words. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace.
My dear, if you see the kind of gift I receive on weekly basis from this young man, hi! Is it Ntoreka? Hollandis? Bag of rice? Ntoreka? George, is it cash? Hey! In this life, it is good to pray for your children because they are the best investment that you can get as a parent. I'm telling you the truth. The man after my daughter's heart is very rich. Hey, my daughter is in money. Oh no, go. Don't worry. On the day of their wedding ceremony, my dear, expect total shutdown. I get paint you red. I'm telling you the truth.
I concur, my friend.
My dear, concur.
I tap from your grace.
Tap from my grace. The grace overflow. The grace is too much. Because the grace overflow from my head to toe. It is better you tap it now before it will be late. Tap
But it has been a very long time that we saw her. Would she come and greet us, even for a day? At least to greet me, auntie.
Don't worry, relax, my sister. Relax. Hey. Look, Nneka, my daughter, barely have chance. She's busy. She always busy. You know Igwe is of age now.
I know.
He fell sick. Within a twinkle of an eye, Igwe Adanoya. And my daughter being a nurse, she's the one taking care of Igwe. So she doesn't have time at all. She doesn't even have time to talk to me, her mother. But don't worry. You want to see her? Don't worry, very soon you see her. Oh? Don't worry.
No worry. I can wait.
Wait, you see her.
Nah, who do me this thing? Eh? But all of them are idiot. Idiot. Oh, poor man picking. Princess. My princess. Hi. They don't hijack my love. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Who do me this thing? Chineke. Hey, thunder. When you get Papa and Mama, when they go Zamfara, fly, go reach Sambisa, come back from Sambisa, follow Munede, fire all over that. Idiot.
All of their wala, cause special idiot where they come. All of their wala, for palace, Gozie na wala ibi Neka na bigi tulobulo Abumo na special idiot
Little princess
Where are you going to?
Princess, see, you get this thing what I want make you do for me. Very important. I beg you, they important here. Yeah.
And what could I do?
I want to see Princess Amara. And I know say she dey up. I beg I won't see him. If I no see him, I feel Chris. I beg you, make I see him here. Princess, fine princess. I beg you, yeah.
Abo! You said you want to see my sister?
Yes.
You are free.
Huh? You are school fees. Access to no now, princess. Nami. Okay, I'm gonna. Nami na Abunchugu, you are getting man. Now the princess I won't see. Thank you. Yeah,
Abom.
I don't give you money now. Don't be saying I give you money.
You have 30 minutes.
30 minutes what? 30 minutes? Now. You say I give you free. I don't give you free now.
If you want 1 hour.
Another money. Oh no. What should hey. Just give me the gun. Maybe you what have you got? Hey. The palace is on fire. How can you do? So I don't give you money now. You know come me about me again, Abi?
No, I will not.
Good. I go now. My love. Huh? More. My love, Namio. Why they treat me like this now? Namio. If you could remember that time when your mama died, with the I sacrifice, with the I make sure say you know that.
No try am. No just try am at all. Wetin dey worry you now? How you go open mouth say make I remember my mother wey don die since? You know make I move on? No try am again. No just try am with me.
Amara, why did I don't talk this to make it vex you. I'm not talking to make you remember your past. I just dey talk so that you go know how far we you don't go. Say we don't go, maybe you don't pass through things. You don't go long way.
Wetin we pass through? No, just tell me, wetin we pass through? If no Kana, you introduce me to Kana who won't spoil my life. Wetin you introduce me, no be Kana. Wetin you don't do for me for this life? No, tell me, wetin you don't do for me for this life? You won't spoil my life for me.
At least he help you now. At least when I give you the Kana tower, when they help you,
you know what? Come on for here. Huh? I go slap you. Come on for here.
See, I tell you, princess. I get one tie. If you take this one,
Abum,
you go step your hand.
Abum, if you not come on for here, I go break your head. Come on for here.
My love, you never reach like that.
Come on for here now. I say come on for here. Come out.
Things has fallen apart. Busy behavior.
Neka, listen to me. Listen to me for once. At least I am your mother. You suckle this breast, Neka. Look, Gozie is your man. He is your husband. He is the only one I approved for you. Michoria, don't get me angry. In Anuya Neka. Huh? Who? Hey! I said it. My villagers has come. Listen, please. There is no other man who is more interested in you than Dozie. Please, I beg of you, don't let anybody deceive you. Neka, Biko. Hey. Hello, Neka. Hey! Who is doing this to me, Chineke? Who is doing this to me?
Your shoes might be broken. Okay, what are you doing, girl? And it is one now. Why I put it in me? Hey! Why every at the end of the video? Everyone did more. Why I put it in me? Hey! Why every at the end of the video?
Shabi, you crazy me. You dey mad? Something that worry you.
Waiting be this one now.
What you carry you go my papa house? You dey mad? Eh? Who give you the effort to go my papa house? Say what happen?
So wait. Now your papa house where I go and I make you come hook me.
You dey waka there. I say waka.
Okay, make I tell you something. Neka, you see for this life with me and you, me, Gozie, I dey die for you. I dey mad for you. I can do anything for you. I can go crazy for you. No matter what you do for this life, if you no marry me, make I pay me.
Come back, fire you. I'll go kill you there. You dey crazy. No problem. You dey mad.
You just dey waste.
I don't say that man so you dey go. Now you my man and two will marry each other.
When I finish your bride price, you go know.
I tell you, I dey get temper issues. I dey tell you say I dey lose guard. Oh, if I lose guard, no go like am. Oh, I go blow you off. Oh,
see person wey even get bad character, why I won't manage? See you wey no even be wife material, very bad character. Person wey be say wife material wey tia wey I go even join together like this, like coat of many color, before it go become normal. You can't do guy. You're Nemo. Abara when America because they may go. I don't know why you get into it. Abara earlier. Hey! Abara memory. Abara promise peace. Oh mama.
Who asked you to come home? And what is your problem? Neck.
Mama, no they talk that kind of thing. After waiting you talk for food. Who give that e-goat, that idiot? Who give her the mind to come to Papa house? And you allow him?
So if someone give me something, I should reject it because of you. I should say no because you are in Neka. Well, let me ask you. Since I brought you to this earth, has someone ever given me the type of gift this young man have been bringing in this house?
Mama, what
answer me.
What will be the call of your family problem? So because of gifts, now you don't say you're only picking. Because of gift, Mama, your love for money go put you inside trouble. You don't get very greedy now. What I don't notice about you.
Neka, listen to me. It is Gozie or nobody, and my word is final. Look, that prince that have been deceiving you in that palace doesn't love you. Prince doesn't love you, just want to chop you and clean mats. I don't know why you refuse to have sense. I even heard that Prince himself has a wife to be. Are you pretending as if you have not heard that before? Eh? Why are you being stupid?
Mama.
What did they make it?
Mama, because of gifts. Because see this boy, they bring gifts because they bring gifts for you. Now you just they talk anyhow. Mama, make I just tell you, I don't get anything to tell you. You know you go choose man for me because I'll not be me choose papa for you. Especially you want to cuff me, go carry me go your house as your wife. If not, I need to go return all your gifts to her because like you go pay, not me go pay. I don't tell you. Mama, best sit down where me no go fall. You know so you fat, me no go fall. Sit down where I won't stand up.
And be ready to leave this place first thing tomorrow morning. You hear me? Before you rub shame on my face.
Father, I know how much you care about my well-being and prestige in this kingdom. I am sorry I did not do as you expected in making a choice to the woman I will be spending the rest of my life with. But Dad, I've made my choice. It might not sit well for you, but it does for me. This is what I want. And we need your blessings. Father, please.
You have made your choice.
Yes, Father.
So who is this girl?
Her name is Nneka.
The maiden?
Yes, Father, Nneka the maiden. She's the one I want. I love her so much, Dad. Father, please.
She makes you happy?
Yes, she does.
If she does, then you have my blessing.
For real? Thank you, Father. Thank you very much. It's okay. Thank you. Father, thank you very much. Thank you, Father. I appreciate you. Yes, Father, I'm very much alive. She's the one I miss. Oh, trust me, you will love her. She's a good girl. Yeah, I know her. All the best.
That we scare us, never come to us at all. Life is also.
Bro, are you looking for something?
No, I'm not. I mean, so you can do this yourself. You can make your bed yourself.
Why won't I make my bed myself? I mean, it's my bed. I'll do that. You know, since I realized being idle can make you do something you don't want to do.
Do the same. An idle mind is the devil's workshop. No, this is good. This is really good. You know, I was told that you've improved greatly, so I decided to come and see things for myself. And I'm happy.
Yeah.
Like, I'm wow. For the first time, there is no smell of weed in your room. Or maybe you're playing one loud sound that is almost bringing down the building.
Not anymore.
You've changed?
I've changed.
I'm happy.
I just decided to be at peace with myself. Someone taught me that.
Someone? May God bless that person for me.
Amen.
I'm happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I've missed my sister. Come here.
I miss you too.
How are you?
You are not fine. I'm not happy at all. See, make I tell you, I don't think this thing since I entered this palace. I can't think how I go take enter this matter. Now I go hard. China, that thing will happen, make it happen today. So nothing happen. I'll get the gather morale. They are giants. Say no, make I can't tell you. See that thing won't happen tomorrow. Igwe, make it happen today. Igwe, your daughter, Princess Amara, now my lover. Yes, I love her. She loves me. We love each other. Now she won't marry. If this thing don't bother me, for some time. I look on see how I will carry state my intention. Now my cousin say no. Make I talk am. See Igwe, as a day now, I dey ready. Now you approval I need.
Abon, Igwe, you know that's not possible. You can't marry my daughter.
Ah, how? No, let me understand Igwe, why? How? I'm not a human being. No, no, I did not be man. Check me now. I don't come working. Yeah? Look me front and back. I'm not be man. What do you mean now? What come? I don't be human being. I don't get. As a man, look me now. Look me where you go. No man.
We are talking about the princess of this great.
Who
are you? And what is your pedigree?
Look at my pedigree. What is pedigree? That is the pedigree. Look at me now. This is my pedigree. I agree. Prince Tony, when they follow Nneka for Nash like fly. No be somebody Nneka be. No be made she be. If I poor man Pekin, if I marry the princess, this kingdom go collapse. Yeah?
Come, I don't have further explanation to this. My daughter, the princess, cannot marry a gate man. Period.
Chero, Igwe, let me understand. Now get man be the problem. Now be the issue. Oh, that fine. I don't get man again. I quit. If I say that I will get man, I get man agree. I don't feel marry princess. I don't be get man again. Now quit. Make I know why I not come there again.
If you do not leave here, the wrath of the gods will come upon you right away.
If I, no problem. I go. I'm sorry. I don't work again. Get man, don't stop. So end. I will leave. I will go. But if we, my return no go dey funny. For what? Why we take get man go? But princess, they bring the car. You want to prove? You want to say go marry the car? We don't prove. Come. What does say that? See, I tell you. See, we can tell you. I don't fear. That will go happen. You go feel my return. God, you are. I'm fucking going there. I'm fucking going there. Get out of there. I'm 5%. I quit. I don't want to work again. Also get mad. Get mad. Because I'm get mad. You go die. I don't work again. I 5%. If I find a princess for this kid, I go die. I'm fucking going. We don't have that. Before. I don't want to take this place. Come. Chicken!
So guide it, jealousy. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace. Actions speak louder than words. Your shoes might be broken.
See this thing where they call poverty. Poverty than the worst thing we feel happen to human being for this life.
Makachi,
I tell you. Hey, anything we they do for this life, avoid poverty and then see finish.
Chai.
You see this finish? Poverty and see finish.
Yes.
Now village people.
Hey, Makachi.
But yeah, that's why they say, village people. Now these two. And they tell you, anything we they do for this life, avoid poverty, avoid see finish.
Makachi.
If I tell you what happened for palace, will make me come out for palace, you don't believe him. One idiot, one shit boy. When they wear trousers, we bought in there for here. As he said, they wear trousers. She not shirt in the button.
Shirt.
You go just wear buttons. And I tell you, that's so the guy, the idiot today. Small boy, he just carry nonsense with the ritualist money. And one kabu motor we no even find. Carry him enter palace, tell him Igwe begin worship him. Igwe begin worship the idiot. I'm telling you. Now, princess, what is? Oh God. Na go princess now. Ina there. Na taya gogo. Ina bari fi. Munya seche bana, se kana, chawachi sipa. Eba na ekwu before you know you go mba wo ya jinaje. I'm telling you, now the thing will give me motivation, give me mind, say I will marry the princess. Now the idiot Igwe just simple. You know what you make a pursue me for? Say I tell say okay was go me say what I can. Amura ha. I go tell say, hey, Igwe, that you won't happen, make it happen today. I won't marry Princess Amara. Koja. I'm telling you. Some guy, my kitty man. Even if you say open that mouth with the smell, Igwe mouth dey sissy. I'm telling you, open no stress matter. Say my getty man cannot marry my daughter. Getty man, one getty man. Ta. He say, oh, getty man be the issue. Ta. I fire myself. Get a camel. You shapa. See, I don't work again. That was how I left the palace. The idiot way that go to say, now my woman will go marry. Begin follow the shit boy because of money, because of ritualist money and kabu moto when you get head. You see poverty. God go punish poverty. God go punish poverty 100 times.
He don't punish poverty. Finish, Makachi. Hey. This is too bad. It's too bad, Makachi.
I go make that money, don't worry. Where you go?
Hey.
I go make this. No be me again.
Mana, can't you quell? You shouldn't have stopped working now. Your story is too bad. How it take happen is too bad, Makachi.
Which work?
But how you want take survive now when you don't stop this job?
Which work? Let me ask you, which work? Can you go to suffer? They call person carry suffer, wear as clothes. They call them job. That is not suffer now. I go shock everybody. The morale. Why God I go to the goose I want marry princess. And the morale why I want to God I make money. Make I end syphilis. Make I end poverty.
I believe you. You see this one where you talk? This your big dreams. I believe you die.
Yes.
Your dreams big.
Very big. You see, this life, if you think big. As you think big now, so your achievement could be big. But the time I gather this money, make this money.
Yes.
Okay. When I come out with Kawa, I don't make the money. Them, they go bow. Everybody go bow for me.
Makachi, you see what they talk? Your dream big. But my problem now is say, how you want to make this money? It might be my concern.
Make it not bother you. Make it that one not bother you. Me not bother you. The way I go take make this money, go shock everybody. It go bring poverty to end, syphilis to end. By the time I gather this momentum, make this money, I won't make it one. You go shock everybody for this village. Don't worry. Once I go eat this bar, where I won't eat finish now, I go sit down, I chop a bar, I go not think well.
No, Magachi. But hey, Magachi, this is not good at all.
Hello, can you hear me? I can't sleep. Please, can you come over to my place? Please. I'm not fine. It has started again. I'm not fine. Okay, please hurry. I'm waiting.
Life is also unpredictable. Always know this, my dear. You might be poor, your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a balance. So don't jealousy.
Princess.
Okay.
Actions speak louder than words. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a balance. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a balance.
Yes, sir.
Father, your attention is needed.
And who is that? Ranting like a mad dog in my palace.
Auntie Stacy, she looks like she's in for trouble.
She must be out of her senses.
To destroy is so easy, but to repair.
Tony, come out here and face me. Tony, where are you? Tony, are you so frightened of your own responsibility? Come out here and face me. Nonsense.
We show respect to the throne of this king. Don't be unfortunate.
Your Highness, I lost that very respect the moment I stepped my foot out of this palace. Where is your son?
And to what do I owe this uninvited visit?
Tony, I am sad to announce to you that I am a month pregnant for you.
You are mad. You are very senseless. Did I touch you? How? No, tell me, how did you get pregnant?
Wait, so you are trying to pretend that you've forgotten how you made love to me the very first night we slept together? Eh? This baby is yours and it will cost you a lot if you don't accept to marry me.
Over my dead body. Listen, you don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do anything with you. I am not responsible for that thing you are carrying. I didn't touch this girl. What is she talking about?
We would have proposed a DNA test.
There's no need for DNA test. I didn't do anything with this girl.
But this baby has to come to this world first.
And that time is what I do not have. Each month this baby spends in my womb, Tony here is going to pay me the sum of 50 million naira. And that is a total of 450 million naira in 9 months. Except he decides to marry me.
You're a thief.
Are you mad? 50 what?
That is not all. You think you can buy my love with fraud? It's not possible.
That is not all, my prince. After the delivery of this child, we will renegotiate. I will bring everything you need to know about this pregnancy, signed and approved by her father, the senator. But just like I told you, you can have a waiver if only you can make her your wife.
Exactly.
This is the copy. Have a nice day.
Why are you collecting that bullshit from them? Can't you see that they are frauds? Fraud stars. I didn't do anything with that girl. I swear. I didn't touch her.
You want to believe that?
Dad, nobody should listen to this girl. I didn't do anything. Don't touch this girl. Father, see. See this girl. Come in.
Life comes with many challenges, but many ones that we scare.
I believe you. I know you did not touch her. Just put your hope for God. You see this Baba with the heaven. What they use and play. Oh. Once your hand clean, tell him, na in they see person heart. You go judge everybody according to what they do.
I didn't do it. She's just tormenting me.
I know. Me no say you no do her. I know say you no touch her. I know say you no touch her. Don't do. I mean they tell people, say me they know they do bad thing before marriage. They know they hear word. If to say you don't go do one now, by now you go there crossroad. Even if no be you get, they go put her for your head. But thank God say no be you no do. For person make a call. Come go outside your papa. Come go outside your papa. Don't you know the stay inside your papa? Make a call. I go wait for you.
But your mind is a balance.
I trust you, I know. Go outside your papa.
Be careful in this life, so you will not regret it tomorrow. To destroy is so easy, but to repair is very, very hard.
Chai! Abo, you see this thing wey happen to you now, you see this situation where you dey now, eh? This situation just prove to me, say, poor man no get any level in this life. You see, poor man.
At all, especially in this country.
They know they regard poor man again.
At all. You know, say, if you see na abroad now, any poor man, government go to take care of them.
See as you just come up for palace. Everywhere just normal, just normalize. Everywhere just cool, like say nobody even live. The day where you go die now, so the same place go still be.
Now you go
like
die.
say
Now
nothing.
you go die. Thought that go fire you there. Which can say that?
Okay.
You dey tell me something that this now you they talk something with they reasonable. They say the day where you go die.
No, as you come out, gate they open on they close. People they come out. You know, go. Everybody come they even help run the gate man.
Are you serious? No, that's no evidence to say person come out. No missing
at all.
Upon all my effort for that palace to make sure say things they happen. So nobody. Hi,
so how you take the cope now?
My brother, my life just spoiled. My life don't spoil. I don't know. I just carry myself, carry my hands spoil. When I can go to Nanya. You see that? Say, oh, Kana. It's just a way to see Bawasia, when you idiot. See where I fire myself. Would you hope say maybe you go tell me say no, sorry. Yeah, can let us reason. I'm no.
Okay, Kana meregena kanai. Kana meregena no kanai na.
Kana meregena kanai. My problem with you, but I'm mad now. I just keep telling you myself. You they use them against me.
No, so your uncle, how you take the feed? Your uncle and all these things, they know they.
Nah, my uncle don't tire for me. He don't tire to they feed me. As I did here now, brother. If I tell you the kind hunger where they mama me here, if I anyone where you get for that pocket there.
I expect them, Sha. I expect them.
You expect them?
How? As you don't come up for palace, now I expect say hunger go show you shaggy. I expect them.
But don't go fire for that nonsense what you talk about, idiot. Can't be saying you expect them. You expect them. I just tell you my ordeals, and they expect you to see me. They expect them.
And you know, say since where you come out now, as you leave the palace, it can't be like say everything can't change, can't good. Igwe no they even allow us go cut meat inside market now. Now full cow with the chop on 1 week. Full cow. I tell you, full cow. Like
come on, shut up there. You she idiot. Full cow. The full cow. Now you see them like this. Full cow. Since why they for that palace? You go there about kick cow.
And I tell you, saying as you come out, now things begin changing. Okay, let me.
Okay. As I come out, now maybe I obstacle.
Make I shock you, my brother. You see, you know, say we know they like intestine, liver, all these things, kidney, cow kidney. Now me, they gather all these things, use and cook pepper soup, put them for cooler, put for my room. If you are in my room, that my sub fridge, now you go see kidney efi. Things there, liver efi. My condenser efi not there.
My shaki efi. My float efi. Like you can see it like this. Now you see it like this, you never blow.
And when am I Huibu now? You know, say I know gay. When am I Huibu? This is my normal. This.
How much talk and that you there is never.
See as you just lose your job because of Nyash. Just because of Nyash. Because of Nyash, now you don't become the chairman of all the mumu people in this country. All the foolish people, they are chairman now you become.
You idiot. No, policy. No, so you leave your house. Palace, come here to insult me. Which kind of chairman of all the mumu?
You take my insult.
No, take a you just come to insult me.
You see how much insult.
Idiot!
See down, no verse, it's okay. No verse.
No here.
No verse.
No, they insult me. See, you know, say, if to send a palace idea now, by now, for one day, mama food like second, I mean a third ration.
Food,
as my man, him gonna like you this.
Life is not always like that.
I'm telling you.
As you come out now, you go through a lot. You go vomit like this. Belle go turn you go vomit water. You go see only water.
So you call insult me? I'm gonna tell you my ordeal. You gonna insult me. The use what they tell you they backfire back. They fire me insult.
So your ordeal is the big deal now. That's what we are.
Make I tell you, I know they happy. I know they a hungry lion.
You are hungry.
You're hungry now? A hungry man is a hungry lion.
He's normal. Nah, make I tell you, as a friend, make I give you this advice if you go fit take her. Lower your ego. Your ego bring and down like this. Go beg Igwe. Beg everybody if you go come lie down naked. Beg them, say na Kanana do you. Make them give you back your work. Igwe don't put notice for new gate man. Once they find, it's over for you.
Abuntuku Melora. Go back to that palace, knee down, over my dead body. Even if I ever do that nonsense, make I die. Okay, I never tell you my AKA. If I open mouth, tell you my AKA. If you survive, I come bastard. Don't get up. We see, we can tell you. Now motivation. Now pursue me for palace.
And na Sapa Nation go bring you back.
Say I won't marry.
Sapa Nation go bring you back.
You idiot. Sapa Nation go give you idiot.
Someone where they even give you. Who never do for himself? You know even who money to do for yourself. You never.
See, I want that me we won't shock palace. I won't shock you. By the time I make the money, I won't make. I go shock the entire palace. Me. You go there, it go happen for you now.
Brother, calm down. Just Butu. Make I tell you, you feel shock the palace, oh. No doubt, you feel shock the palace. But the only shock where you go shock this palace where I dey work for, now when you join NEPA, or say you go do EE now, electric.
EE,
elect.
NEPA, elect, Unyala. Because
if you not join electrician, you know you
go die. If you don't join in one now,
survival is not for everybody. Making it is not for everybody.
Okay, making it not for everybody.
No.
Okay, can they make it now?
Some people they make and everybody must not make it.
Thunder when they go some piece of fire you get. Go
Now visit you. Why is the change?
I cannot visit. Your visit is killing me. Your visit is giving me another hunger. Visit is giving me a
It's okay. Make I go.
My princess Adele.
I see you like reading. Indeed, you have the zeal to learn.
Yes, I get the zeal to learn, my princess. Not only say the thing where they best me, say I don't get money to go to school. I don't get money. I don't want to tell you my family story. I suffer, my man don't get shishi. I make a come to work for you.
I see, you're my brother's wife to be. I'm going to change your English. I'm going to make you speak like a royal blood, eat like a royal blood, and walk like one.
Ha! Hey! Bruce, small you. Small princess like you. I beg. How much I go pay you? I don't get money.
I'll do this for free.
Small Nadia go do one for free. I don't go pay you shishi.
No.
Nadia. Oh, sorry, Princess Nadia.
Stacy, why are you doing this? Why can't you just accept a rejection?
Because I am way too big to be rejected. And I heard I was even replaced with a common maid. Do you know how disrespecting that is?
Look, I'm sorry things didn't work out between us. But it's not my fault. I never wanted us to be together. I never wanted you in my life. My father did.
Then let him pay for his sins. Why worry?
Can I ask you one question? What happens after paying all this money you're mentioning and the baby happens not to be mine?
The baby is yours, so nothing is happening.
We both know that's bullshit.
Get my bills ready. You don't want me to go to the courts because I'm very certain that the judges wouldn't think twice having to choose between a common king and a senator. Get that.
I hope you know you can't play that games with me, right? Do you know that?
Get my bills ready.
It's all good.
My fathers, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Mama.
Hey.
Welcome.
To Oja Biago.
Yes. I can see that.
Yeah.
Olo, this is a foreign drink. Not that type we used to drink at that corner at Olu Obongo's bar.
Yeah, you and your friend now.
Oh.
Well, Collins, you see, I'm very proud of you. And we will accompany you to the Igwe for the conclusion of the marriage rites. Okay?
Thank you very much.
We're surely going to do that.
Thank you.
You see, you have won an eaglet for yourself. And we are very proud, very, very proud of you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much.
Now with the joy in my heart, kneel down, kneel down. Kneel down. Yeah. This good work that you have started,
you will surely complete it successfully. Your interest in Princess and your decision to marry Princess, you will not regret it. Forward ever, backward never. The good intentions you have to marry her, you will not regret it. And so shall it be. You will surely be victorious. Stand up.
Thank you, Papa.
It's done.
Thank you. Hello, himself.
Abunjuku! 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 You are here sleeping. Here, maybe. Wait. You are here sleeping. If I tell you what is happening now, Abunjuku, you will pray it doesn't exist. You never know Ago. You are talking about Ago. If I tell you what is going on, you will better prefer this Agoro than it. The girl you told me about, the princess, they are marrying her off. And you are here sleeping.
Whom? Where? My wife. Wow. What are you trying to do? What are you looking for? Princess. Huh?
What do you go? What do you go? I know for the people there go. You want to do? Get into the bed. You want to kill somebody? Makachi! You will limit it. I come on the fire. Makachi!
Come on.
Things has fallen apart. Easy behavior.
Abunjuku. This why your face is like this. My brother, you have finished one of them. I believe you have killed your rival. I hope Igwe is not involved. Did you kill Igwe too? Look at your body. Tell me what happened. What happened at the palace? Who killed who?
Now the idiot don't marry princess.
Breaking news.
If you see what they do, boys who train, use me do your like say it be me. And they command say they throw me.
I remember you went out with your top on your body. You came back, your top there by your neck.
You call heat, see what I'm 20.
No, this one has passed heat. You see what I have been telling you? That girl is your death sentence. Leave that girl, happen to that girl. Before this girl will kill you.
This is me watching in a palace. Unye wo gabu. Okpacha kana after kana pocha kana okoko mu. Opia mu pia ya. Ebe epori ogo. So mu abam unye where that. If somebody, the princess were there in front of my papa, telling papa saying at me, she won't marry. I tell you, I know that small boy, that idiot, One in a guarapa. Wait, trust that they get bought for yes. No money, princess.
Oh, I know get them before. No be property. He said he even money. I know get them before. No be property. You see him? You see where you have landed yourself. I will advise you as my own nephew. My own nephew. Re-strategize. Go and follow all these widows. These women that their husbands died in war fronts. That oil. They've not seen oil for years. Go there and patronize them. Shut up. Eh? Shut up. If not that you are my uncle, I would have just said that you are an idiot. What kind of rubbish is that? You're going to be idiot. Look at what is it? Women, widows, need their husband died in the war. Yes. For your occupation. It is for you. I will go back and the age for that and stop me. No, now. You don't recommend such people to me. Okay, all those people. Ndị ajadu, ndị adịghị nwụrụ na war. Ebe kwesị igereje. You have your line of occupation. Okay, can you be who be your line of occupation? Under 16, Makachi, Mwetekwe ha. Hang I like it. No, you know what just have let me think. Let me, I want to re-strategize. Because Ebune Nazo Obioko. Ebune Nazo Obioko. Nana. Makachi. Eh? You want to kill your uncle? Eh? Makachi, you kill me. I'll let you know what? Eh?
Igwe, my elders greet you. Igwe, you get wetin I want talk now, and this thing they very very important. That's why I rush to say make I enter talk.
Gozie, what matter is that warrants you to interrupt our meeting?
Ichie, this one why I want talk they very important. In fact, it's a matter of life and death. That's why I carry and enter here.
Life and death?
So what is it?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Igwe, wetin carry me come here, Nana, because of the preparation where they go on for this palace. Because of my woman where Igwe they prepare to carry giving son. Yes, that's why I am here. As I see say elders there, Nana, I say make I bring her, make una deliberate on her. Because as I am talking to you now, that girl where they say neck, I don't put small thing for her head. In fact, I don't carry some of my village youth and some men. Go their house, go knock. I don't already knock. And you people know say it's against our tradition. If another man come knock, another person will not knock. Like you put drink, another person come double cross you with another drink. You know they go for this hour. It's against our tradition. Check on now. Whether I'm going to allow this or make it happen to me.
I see. It's all right. We'll get to the bottom of it.
Thank you. Ndiche, take a lemon. Brikwelo.
He's very stupid, father. He's lucky I was not there when he said those nonsense from his mouth. How can you open a woman's door without her consent? Why, father? That's total disrespect.
Son, calm down. Just calm down. I told you this so you can know what is on ground. I am on top of the matter, but just talk to Neka and get the full details of what's on ground.
I swear I will strangle that idiot with my bare hand. I swear!
It's all right. What will be, just calm down. No need for trouble. Like I told you, I am on top of the matter, okay?
Greetings, my prince.
I saw your call. You wanted to see me.
Yes, my prince. My client, Miss Stacy, reported to me that you are here to pay her 50 million naira monthly wages. So she instructed me to come and pick it up in cash, if that's okay by you.
In cash?
Yes, my prince.
Oh, so where is she now?
At her place of residence.
Okay. I didn't send her the money since because I had 1 or 2 issues. But that's fine. I'll send it across to her before the week runs out.
How soon?
Very soon. Like I said, before the week runs out.
I will get that across to her. I'll believe.
Good.
It's so funny and unbelievable.
I'm telling you, Father.
All this while, she'll go sleeping around with that common lawyer.
Yes.
Man, she will come here and start to glorify herself as though she's a queen.
Yes. I doubted it at first, till I saw things with my eyes.
So how did you manage to in the first place?
It was all Princess Nadia here.
I was the first to notice.
Wow.
Hello, first okay. Hello. See, Barrister Ken, I can't bear this anymore. I'm ovulating and I need to be handled like a woman, but do you realize I'm a woman? I need to be touched. See, the most annoying part of it is this my so-called prince can't even look at me, talk more of touching me. This is unbearable, okay? Where are you? Fine, just tell me where you are. I will come and pick you up. Do not worry, you can make choice of hotel yourself. Great, I'm going to pick you right away. Yes, ma'am.
So tread with caution.
That lady is something else.
Princess Nadia, what do you go find for Prince room?
A pen, I guess.
You know, she won't say the truth there. I had to monitor Tracy ever since she made that threat. I sent my guards to trail her and her lawyer to a particular spot where they usually meet. And that was how I captured everything.
Now that that is off, it is time for us to focus on something better.
Yes.
Yeah? There's something I want us to settle once and for all. Nneka here used to be a staff of this palace until my son, Tony, fell in love with her. She promised to marry him after he proposed. But then, Gozie, my chief cook, is also laying claim to Nneka, claiming that he has identified himself with the family who has promised to, give her to him as his wife. At this point, we are, in a crossroad. And the only way I think we can resolve this is to make sure that the family who has made that promise to Gozie is present.
Bam! You go like this one where you talk now. Her mother needs to come here. Yes, her mama needs to come here because me, I don't invest. I don't even over-invest So I need to be settled. Make I know where I put my own head because I don't really spend for this relationship. Now be the team. Make her mother come.
Gozie, don't worry about that. I sent words to her mother, and she will join us very soon.
My friend, please stand up from there.
Where did that come from?
He's a dirty man.
Woman, do you know why you are here?
No, Your Highness, I don't know.
Your daughter here is in the middle of two men. My son, Prince Tony, and Gozie, my chief cook. Do you know him?
Yes, Your Highness, I know him. He comes to my house frequently. And he always sends foodstuffs across to me every week. He's the man I have accepted for my daughter.
Madam, God bless you. You see this life where they live now, you go live longer life. Because no be every woman go recognize good thing where person don't do for them. Remember them. Some people go don't bite the finger where they feed them. You see as you just talk now, very simple. See, now this man I recognize, now him they do everything for my daughter. Now him go marry my daughter. Very simple. So what are we discussing here? Make una give me my woman, make I carry the go, make everything solved.
Thunder fire you, they craze. Who be your woman? Don't try call my name again, just look me. You get what if I afford for you. Even this my hair, this my luxurious hair. Just see as I don't change totally. I be like who go fit be your wife. No, you see this hair, you know how much they call her? Summer drone. You dey here they talk anyhow with your ambolo coco. Don't just call my name again. No. You feel drip anything other than poverty. You are dripping in poverty.
Madam, I believe we've not met before.
Oh my
No, we've not. No, we've not. Beautiful. So I want to ask, what kind of gift item does this man deliver to you every weekend?
Food items. 2 bags of yam, bags of gari, bags of rice, clothes, cash worth 50,000, 100,000 naira. He's a very generous man.
Very. Thank you. God bless you. I tried for you. I did so many things for you. I was there when nobody came around. For God day.
Do you realize that young man, Gozie, works here in the palace and he does not earn as much as to being able to send or provide those items and even cash, that he claimed.
Igwe, God will bless you. You see this question, this opportunity to express myself where you just give me now, God will bless you. But he get close where they for that thing where you talk. He get close where they there. You say, Madam, do you realize that this boy works here as a cook and cannot afford all those things where they give you all the gifts? Meaning that I put it to you that you know that the work I'm doing here is okay, but you people are not able to pay me my money. You are not able to pay me enough money to cater for myself, let alone catering for people where they near me. Meaning say una just they underpay me.
And you, Gozie, do you deliver those items to her yourself or you send someone?
Which kind of nonsense question be that one now? No, which kind of rubbish question be that? Okay, me and you, they fight for the same thing. We they go the same lane. Not they ask me rubbish question. Just tell you, make your father. Who they reasonable? Just this matter, make I go, make you go. Very simple. Give me my woman, make I come out here. I no get time.
Thunder fire, if you mention my name again for that, go use that your mouth.
It's okay.
Peter Cola go come out from inside.
Ma, does he normally send someone
to deliver the gift, or he comes himself?
Yes. Yes, he's a young man. He's a young man. He dresses like the other palace guards. Yes.
I bet you know this person if you see him.
Sure, I will know him.
Ike, any need? Ike! Ike! He's come.
Is he my king?
Yes, he's the one.
Ike,
my prince.
Can you kindly tell everyone here who constantly sends you on errand to this woman's house?
You, my prince.
Go see.
Can I go, my prince?
You may not leave.
Sometimes I used to say to people, it's not all.
Mbi don't say you are a he-goat. Mbi, you are a he-goat for lying to me. And eating another man's money, coming to my house to eat another man's money. Okay, day.
When they come eat that money, I know they bring bread. I know they give you bread. Please don't ever send this boy to bring bread for you. What are you saying? Women! No, you don't change. Now you they praised me a few minutes ago. Now you don't change. You don't give me name. No. You know even waste time. But when they come, they carry something. No, besides they come empty-handed. You know that one. Make they come out for here. Drama why you want you take my wife out. Now you don't change that because the day you say no be me they bring that.
Thunder fire, if you come your wife again, I will punish you. Blessing don't be mad. Because they deny.
Well, I believe that this issue has been sorted out. And at this juncture, madam, on behalf of the royal household, we seek your permission for my son to make your daughter his queen.
You are going to see me. Please, hey, mama, no, they talk for my behalf. Allow me make a talk. I still get mouth. I still get mouth now. Allow me make a talk. You do it. No, the prince. My prince, give me. Maybe you need to ask me whether I go marry you.
No, wait.
For everything you don't do for me now, me supposed to ask you, say whether you go marry me.
No, you can't be the one to do this. I should do.
Will you no, sit down, my prince, sit down.
No, I should be the one to propose.
Will you marry me? Yes.
Please stand up. Stand up, baby.
Igwe, I want to say something. First of all, Igwe, I want to thank you. Don't try for me where you no go kill yourself for me. You see, there is no way I feel win this case. When I see only me there here now, in between the whole family without a lawyer. So how I feel win my case. And in this life now, all of you know I'm saying, no poor man don't ever win case for this country without a lawyer. But no problem. Make una enjoy, don't try.
God,
they must rule against
God, please come back.
You can go with him, so. Una go think say una don't win, but no problem, God win.
God, you know, say you be my friend, God. Gozie.
It's okay. My milkshake.
Life comes with many challenges, but many ones that will scare us never come to us at all. Life is also unpredictable. Always know this, my dear. You might be poor, your shoes might be broken, but your mind so guided jealousy. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace. Actions speak louder than words. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace. Your shoes might be broken, but your mind is a palace.